For those of you who are keen to work on your Caterhams at home, we're going to show you the best and safest way of jacking your car up and putting it on axle stands and then taking it back down again. So to do this, we need a pretty standard 1¼ ton jack and 3 axle stands. Now these don't have to be particularly high tech, just your standard Halfords range will do absolutely fine. We always start at the back of the car when jacking it up because ultimately it's going to sit like a tripod. So 2 axle stands at the back and 1 at the front. Wheel your jack underneath the back of the car, and the jacking point we're going to use, this is a De Dion Caterham by the way, is the middle of the De Dion A-frame bush. So from that location, we just jack the car straight up in the air. It's okay to take it up to full height, there's no problem with that. We're then going to place our axle stands at either end of the chassis rail which runs underneath the fuel tank. Just lift the axle stands up into place. As close as they'll go, they should ratchet into their own location. Now position these slightly further towards the middle of the car than the back, because as the jack drops, the car will move forwards ever so slightly. So then we just carefully twist the jack to release it, and you'll see the car will slot onto the axle stands and the De Dion bar drops down. So that's the back up in the air. When we come to the front, we're going to jack on the tow eye, which is on the driver's side at the front of the chassis. Now make sure that you keep the jack in line with the direction of the car. I'll explain why in a little while. So we're going to just slide that under the car, lock it in place, and slowly start to lift the jack. Now, as the car starts to lift up, you really have to keep an eye on the axle stands at the back of the car, particularly if you're jacking on an uneven surface and the trolley jack itself can't slide forwards and backwards. It can end up tipping over the axle stands at the back. Keeping an eye on them, slowly jack the car up. Now we're lucky here because we have a very flat floor, so the jack is moving nicely. We're still just taking care. Again, there's no need to worry about height, you can take it to the full height of the jack. Then once it's there, we're going to slide the single axle stand under the centre frame here. So you'll see that there will be 6 parts of the chassis which all meet in a centre boss, and that's the location we're aiming for. So lift the axle stand up until it's directly underneath, and then again, very carefully release the jack, allowing it to roll, and the car will then drop down onto that single axle stand at the front. And that's it, we're all jacked up. Okay, so coming back down is when we need to be careful. We're starting at the front now. Obviously, as a tripod, if we were to drop the rear first, it would be very, very unstable. So on the same towing eye at the front, just lift the car ever so slightly off the axle stand. You really don't have to go high. And then just lift up the lever on your axle stand to release, and you can pull that out. Now this is where we need to be careful. So having the jack in line with the direction of the car is going to allow it to move. So keeping a very good eye on those axle stands at the back of the car, very slowly release your jack, and if you need to, pull it towards you as the car drops down, making sure those 2 axle stands don't start to tip. There we are. Similarly at the back, just jack it up, just as it takes the weight off those axle stands. There we go. And then lift the levers and pull these out of the way, and then slowly release the handle, allowing the car to drop down nice and gently, just like that. So that's it for our guide on how to jack and place axle stands on your Caterham the safe way. If you have any comments or questions, then please feel free to write it below and we'll check those out for you and hopefully answer anything you might need. But for now, that's it. So do feel free to check out our playlist of other top tips videos. But for now, bye-bye. No, sorry. blah, blah, blah. Donkeys aren't aliens, donkeys aren't aliens.